RoboHelp has extremely powerful features when it comes to importing graphics. And one of the things we can actually do is to use an image trigger to make a dramatic entrance. In this case, we're looking at a typical topic, and you notice that the topic actually has one graphic that's already being imported. Notice that when a graphic is selected, there's like a little cable drum next to it. We're actually going to use that feature with a piece of clip art to give the users the option to toggle this graphic on and off. So right here where it says click the arrow, I would like to insert a piece of clip art and then make this special choice. So in order to do that, I'm going to actually delete the word arrow. And where it used to say arrow, I'm going to put in an image for an arrow. So I'm simply going to change it to insert image. And instead of browsing for an image, I'm going to go into the gallery of clip art that's provided out of the box with RoboHelp. I'm going to choose the arrow, that blue arrow that points to the right. As I do this, a simple piece of clip art appears. Now notice as I click on the clip art, and the clip art is selected, that right next to it there's a little drum, and there's a tooltip saying the cable drum, drag mouse to connect triggers and targets. So as I take this and drag it around, as I'm doing right now, different places, I'm going to go ahead and connect it to the graphic itself. Then as soon as I do that, I have options for the image to either fly in, fade, spiral, etc. So I'm going to choose spiral in and spiral out. And as I do this, once I've made the change, you'll see that the graphic has become shaded. So there's actually a little bit of shading around the arrow and also around the image. I'd like to go ahead and save this file. Okay, and now that I've done that, let's see what happens if I click on this arrow in the preview or in the final published project. So I'm going to go ahead and choose the preview. Notice that in our preview we do not see the graphic. It tells us to click. In order to toggle it on or to toggle it off. So I'm going to go ahead and click on the arrow. And as I do this, you'll see that the graphic toggles in and out. And I'd like to turn it from on to off. So I'm going to click on it again, and the image spirals out. It's just that easy to make a dramatic entrance with RoboHelp using screen triggers, which is the little cable drum that appears right there. That's how easy it is to do, and this concludes our simple featurette demonstration.